designed, engineered, tested, and warranted for GM vehicles. Precise fit for ease of installation. For proper installation, locate your nearest GM dealer, independent service center, or body shop. Maintain your Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, or Cadillac vehicle with a genuine GM parts multi-purpose bracket. Only genuine GM parts are tested to meet GM original equipment standards and are designed specifically to fit your vehicle. Top reviews from the United States. Exact match. Exact match for my 1500. Need the removal tool though to make it a lot easier to replace.